The Bitcoin bull trap. What exactly is it and have we got one? Guys, we better find out. Let's jump straight into this. First things first, what exactly is this bull trap? It is a technical term where we see the price of an asset, in this case we're talking about Bitcoin, quickly surging to the upside, breaking above a key area of resistance in a short space of time, but then what happens is that quickly reverses that upside trend. Now, why does that happen? It's suggested that institutional players, these big players, come in, set these traps, okay, to allow the retail market to come in, a false sense that we're in an upward trend now, resuming to the north, and then obviously, as I say, the price quickly reverses, and this is down to their own potential agendas and their own selfish gains, these little buggers. So what do we want to look at here, obviously in this case, is this Bitcoin run that we're seeing now, is it a bull trap or not? We're going to see the price coming down, or we're going to continue to the north. So remember, in this case, we're talking about Bitcoin. We had this is the big area of resistance that we've broken above. The trend line had been in play since November 2021. You can see that respected largely there on this journey to the south, right? Remember, just as a quick reminder, we had this left shoulder, we had this head, and we had this right shoulder, this big head and shoulder structure. So you can see the trend was firmly to the downside, a number of patterns and confluences there for this trend south. Now this is the surge to the upside, breaking above that resistance. Okay, we haven't really come back and fully retested this yet, but this is where we could be seeing a bull trap. And what are signs of bull traps as well? Well, unconvincing candlesticks as well. In bullish trends, we get nice big green candlesticks continuing to the upside, but you see already in the early part of this push north, there's some uncertain candlesticks like these reversal candlestick, these dojis, so this is what we're watching out right now. Is this going to be a bull trap? I'm keeping an eye as I speak, time recording this on Wednesday. We do what we saw on Tuesday on the 8th of February is a potential reversal candlestick. Remember, these are known as dojis, or we can look at these as morning stars, evening stars appearing at the top of the trend for us to then come all the way back down. So monitoring this right now, we are at a key area. You see this previous high area, right, for Bitcoin. Okay, when we were printing sort of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So we're just testing this high area right now. A lot of resistance around this 43K mark. So what you want to observe, if this pullback, this retest now of this former high area, if this doesn't hold, we're going to come all the way back down, and what that could do as well. This will just be the definition of this bull trap. We go and suck back below this area of resistance that we broke above. We'll suck back below that and push all the way down and potentially go and even print new lows, okay, and come all the way down to 30K. Now, obviously, that's what the area that I was looking at potential for where we re-sparked some big buy momentum. Because look at this huge area, 30K. You can see that very clearly anyway on the weekly as well. It's a massive area of support. Look, demand, you see that there. That's ideally what I wanted to see before resuming this big bullish trend. All right, so keep an eye on that, please, guys. If we're able to hold, however, on the flip side, if this proves not to be a bull trap, okay, obviously we don't want it to be a bull trap, but if it proves not to be, the next area what you want to be looking out for, guys, is around sort of just shy of 50K, heading into 49,000. Why? Because it's just as a reminder, just exactly what I'm looking at is this, remember, this left shoulder, this head, this right shoulder, the neckline retest, okay? You can see that. You see this support anyway, this trend line here? Yeah, so you'll be looking at the retest for that. If we're able to break that down, guys, then that is it. The bulls! We're going to the moon. We'll be going to the moon. That's big buy zone for me. So please, please, please keep an eye on this today. Today is key. Maybe even tomorrow. See how this closes. If we end up closing back below this area here, this previous high area, this is a bull trap for me, and we'll come all the way back down. I wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't hold on the retest, and then, as I say, we go and print new lows in towards 30K. So I don't have a crystal ball, okay? So take what I'm saying, just as a little bit of note of guidance, and just monitor yourself what happens here around this key area. By the way, guys, this is a quick reminder. Look, if you're an investor, right, and I'm sure you are because you're watching this video, if you're a crypto investor or a trader, look at diversifying your portfolio. Okay, there's a big opportunity here with CoinCasso where you can own part of the cryptocurrency exchange, right? So the massive campaign right now. It'd be great if you get involved, own a little bit of CoinCasso. Remember, CoinCasso and every cryptocurrency exchange. Why do you think Binance and all these big exchanges are so profitable? Because they gain in any market. If we're in a bear market, if we're in a bull market, they're gaining, right? And it's in their business model. They're having a good time. So own part of cryptocurrency exchange CoinCasso. You can check out here, fill out your details. There's a Seeders page as well, official. So do take a look at the details. There's a lot of members benefits, NFTs, drops, so on and so forth. So you can check that out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because there's a lot of content on there and on CoinCasso's Instagram as well. Other than that, have an amazing one. Please do hit that like and subscribe button. Stay lit. Let's get it.